handing out the deliverables.
We implement several of these programs all across the country. So this particular program is the capacity building for artisans on GSM phone repairs and digital literacy. So basically what this program is all about is to introduce our youth to digital literacy. I've been taught how to repair GSM phones.
However, the government, in its policy to improve farming as a business in the state, over 350,000 youths engaged in agricultural farming to support the national interest and the policy of addressing food security for socio-economic well-being and development of our dear state. Another milestone for the training and the repairs of GSM for the second phase of about 140 beneficiaries, with 100 beneficiaries that at the first stage of its training in Jigawa state. In addition, the agency also empowered women in ICT, which receive laptops, modem with a 1-year free subscription. In order to compete with modern world, today software development and innovations are the key success to achieve modern businesses. The agency constructs many ICT centers across the state that will greatly help our young generation to develop their capacity in digital economy practices, i.e. ICT Center of Garin Gabas, Abra, Ringim, Dutse, Gumar, Hadeja, Borno Kudu, and many more has benefited greatly in that development. On behalf of the government of Jigawa State, His Excellency the Executive Governor Muhammad Badr Abubakar expressed gratitude for the gesture and urge the beneficiaries to maximize the opportunities to sustain their lives for future development. Once again, I wish you a safe journey back to your respective destination and successful completion of the exercise. Thank you.
I must mention my teacher here, sitting just by my side. Myself and Kashifu were his student and are still his student. That is why whenever we have a gathering, either to do with NITDA or any of our programs, we invite him and he is here. Malam Haruna Bashir. The DG NITDA was here last month, was here a month before, was here 2 months before, was here 3 months before. So I think he's been consistent in bringing development to Jigawa State and in many places. So we must say kudos to NITDA, we must say kudos to DG in particular for what he's been doing to Jigawa State and especially our young persons across. And of course, I must believe this happens even in other states, because yesterday we were here and one of his representatives, Dr. Lawal Ahmed, presented a paper and he said what is obtained in Jigawa State is certainly what is obtainable, what you can find across the state of the country. He started mentioning programs in each of the 774 local government here yesterday. So we must commend DG NITDA, we must say he is a true representative of our young persons in Jigawa State and we are proud of him.
Toolbox. Yeah. Thank you, sir. You can have your seat. We appreciate it. Thank you. We have Ahmed Sani Hassan. You're next. Yusuf Umar, don't forget to sign. Aisha, you can come forward, give him to sign. Make sure they sign. All right, thank you, sir. Please, Baba, come forward, come and present, sir. Come and give them items. Ahmad, Abubakar Ahmad, please don't forget to sign. Oh. I shall be following them to sign.
Hey!
Ahmad Abubakar Ahmad, is that you? Okay, Aisha, here is, let him sign, please. Thank you.